Hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening everyone. Welcome back to my show. Welcome back to Gumpleberry Show. But today we'll not unleash or unbox a kit or a Beyblade, okay? Because for today we'll have a tool or tools. Yeah, it will become tool because we will unbox and I don't know if I can try it. Yeah. Maybe. Yeah, I will find some kits later, okay? So we have here your... Ooh, this is a steady... Yup, Steady Tools, and I'm not yet sponsored with Steady. I bought this with my own money. Okay, but yeah, Steady, I'm ready if you're ready. Okay, but yeah, Steady Tools, and I bought a what is this, man? I forgot it. I've ordered it, but yeah, this is a Scriber chisel. And also a handle. Yeah, so this is different, so you need to buy this and also this one separately so that you can use it. Okay, and this is a chisel of a round of 0.1 millimeter. Okay, and yeah, you also need this one. So I bought this because when I'm doing something or making a separate or a panel line, I am only using a hobby knife. Yeah, I'm only using a hobby knife, and I've started to see that it's very thin, very thin, and also very dangerous because you don't have a guide, or yeah, when you're using this one, and very pointy. Okay, so it's very dangerous for using to make some panels, and it's nice but not so nice. Yeah, nice but not so nice. I don't know what is that, but yeah, much better if you have a chisel. So I'm having it because I really want to have a, when I'm there are some parts of the kit that I really want to have a panel line, but yeah, I'm not doing a new panel line. Okay, just want to dip some already made panel line areas, and also some areas that really needs a panel line, because there are some surface that is not so deep, and I really want to make it bulge out so that we can really see it. Yeah, so let's have this first because it's the 0.1 millimeter. I just forgot how much I bought this. Yeah, because this tool, man, is already lying for over 3 months right here in my man cave, because yeah, as you know, I've been in not a hiatus, but yeah, I just get burnout on building kits. Okay, so boo. Okay, so to open this one, oh, that's it. Very safe, man. That's very safe, and a very nice chisel. And this is a 0.1 chisel. It's very thin. And yeah okay, and it's very nice. Okay, so we can get it. Can we? Oh, okay, we can. Oh, this. Oh, I get amazed because yeah, a very secure kind of case right there. And then this one, so yeah, there's nothing, and they have a caution so that it will not bend or something on the delivery or get dented. Yeah, very nice. So that's the box. Now let's have another one, which is the, I think this will be the handle. Okay, this is called as model pusher handle, so that you can use it more nicely. Okay, so we can get, ooh, nice, man, very premium package. Okay, premium packaging. So this is okay. We need to turn this one to open it, so put it right there. So we need to open. Okay, we can get it. Okay, so we can also use this. Okay, so where should I use it? So I can pull it out, so we can use it here. Am I right? So they have an instruction. You can twist the cup, and yeah. So okay. So here you can also, ooh, okay, so you can almost detach anything right here. I don't know if I can also get this one, but yeah, I don't want to damage it, but it's nice that it has this kind of, okay, so you can okay, so you can loosen those parts in order to put these things, the engraver itself here. at the center, which you can see there. There's a hole right there. And if you tighten it, it will close the gaps. And if you loosen it, it will open the gaps that will let this one get in. So let's try to put it on the handle. Okay, so just be careful, because even it's 1 millimeter, man, it's still sharp at the point. Oh yeah, it's sharp. So if you loosen it, you can drop it here. Let's see, open up. Okay, right there. So okay, and then let's make it. Oh, nice. And can we close it with the... Okay, that's it. And if we need to use it, we just open it and use this as a guide. Very nice. Yeah, now I will not use a hobby knife in order to make some panel lines. Okay, so yeah, and I'm opening it because I will use this if I can use it with the new with the kit that I will build next. Okay, so yeah, very nice, man. So sorry, but yeah, this part right here will not be needed anymore because it will be put right here. But yeah, you know, but if you have another one or another chisel or engraver, you can use it to put it here so that you can protect the blades. Okay, but yeah, for me it's okay right here. And you have a sticker, and you can put it here. So let's put it, because this is the 0.1, and maybe I will buy another one, the smaller version, or maybe the larger version of these engravers. Yeah, I don't know if you can put it in the center, but yeah, whatever. It's the important is we have the guide that it's the 0.1. Okay, so here 0.1 millimeter. They are the same color. Nice one, man. So yeah, you can see this in motion, or you can see this that I will use this one on my live builds, because yeah, I have a new format already. As I told you, we have a new format of doing vlogs for Gunpla, because yeah, I realized that I will not do any kind of talking reviews already, because it really takes time for me, because I need to make some scripts before I can make a review. Okay, so yeah, for now it will not be a review anymore. It will be just a a Gunpla showcase. Yeah, so I'll just put it out because I will use it also. And yeah, this is it. This is your steady, and this is, where's the steady? Okay, yeah, this is your steady engraver and handle. Am I right? Yeah, pusher handle. Okay, so it's for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this kind of videos and contents, please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe. Please hit that notification button to inform to our next videos. Okay, so in order to see the action for this tool, you watch my live builds so that you can see it, because I will use this one in order to make some new and to dip some panel lines. All right, let's go, and that's it. Thank you so much. So good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Jake De La Paz signing off, and Gunpla Show signing off. Whew, steady. Thank you, and maybe sometime next time. That's it. Thank you, and goodbye.